Let's see how to connect Mercusys router to Mercusys router wirelessly. This is the Mercusys MR30G router which I am using as my main router. And this is the Mercusys MW330HP router that I will be setting up as a repeater wirelessly. If your router has been used before, reset it first. If your router is brand new, there is no need to reset it. After resetting the router, go to your phone. My phone is already connected to my main Wi-Fi, so I'm disconnecting it. This is my second router device. After connecting the second router, go to Chrome. Search mwlogin.net. Create an admin password. Tap Skip. Create a Wi-Fi password for your second router. Now reconnect to your second router Wi-Fi with the new password you created. Now go back to the setup page. Tap the three lines. Tap Advanced. Tap on Operation Mode. Select Range Extender Mode. Tap Save. Wait for Wi-Fi to reconnect after rebooting the router. After connecting to Wi-Fi, reload the setup page. Enter the admin password you created. Select your main Wi-Fi device from here. Enter your main Wi-Fi password. Now you can change the Wi-Fi name and password of your second router if you want. But if you don't change the password, your second router's Wi-Fi password will be the same as your main Wi-Fi password. Tap Next. Tap Save. Now reconnect to your second router with your new password. Now the second router is wirelessly connected to Wi-Fi. This is how you can connect Mercusys router to Mercusys router wirelessly.